What if I told you there's a brand that's making significant strides in the consumer audio and smartwatch industries? Would you believe me? Let's dive into the story of Klikk, a brand that's setting new standards in these rapidly growing sectors. Welcome to the world of Klikk, a direct-to-consumer brand specializing in audio and smartwatch products. The brand is the brainchild of two industry veterans, Praveen Urmila and Praveen Nautiyal. With an astounding 15-year background as leaders in the global mobile phone sector, they have an intimate understanding of the pulse of the industry. Their journey, primarily based in Hong Kong, saw them gaining extensive experience in OEM and ODM manufacturing, a skill set they would later leverage in a big way. In 2019, they ventured into the Indian market, launching the Klikk brand. Their vast industry exposure and expertise fueled their ambition to create a distinctive market presence. Today, Klikk stands tall in the consumer audio and smartwatch industries, aligning with their exponential growth rates and setting the stage for significant future expansion. Let's talk numbers. The consumer audio industry has witnessed a remarkable rise, with revenues leaping from $20 billion in 2018 to an estimated $82.1 billion in 2023. This phenomenal growth rate signifies a lucrative market for Klikk to tap into. With a wide range of audio products, Klikk is set to cater to evolving consumer preferences. Their commitment to producing innovative and high-quality audio solutions is a clear indication of their intent to seize this opportunity. But the story doesn't end here. The smartwatch industry has also shown exceptional growth, with revenues soaring from $7 billion in 2018 to an estimated $80 billion in 2023. This rapid expansion presents a golden opportunity for Klikk to establish a strong presence in the smartwatch market. With their expertise in product design and development, they are favorably positioned to offer innovative and feature-rich smartwatches. By focusing on user-friendly designs and advanced functionalities, Klikk is set to cater to the increasing demand for smart wearables. In summary, the journey of Klikk, under the leadership of Praveen Urmila and Praveen Nautiyal, is a testament to their strategic foresight. They have capitalized on the remarkable growth rates in both the consumer audio and smartwatch industries. Their extensive industry experience and commitment to innovation make Klikk a brand to watch as it continues to evolve and expand its product offerings. So, keep an eye on Klikk. It's not just a brand, it's a revolution in the consumer audio and smartwatch industries.